In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mirror an image left to right or flip it top to bottom, all within the Wix editor, so your visuals line up perfectly with your design. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor and navigating to the page that contains the image you want to flip. Click the image on your canvas to select it. When it's selected, you'll see the familiar bounding box and a small menu or toolbar with editing options. That's your cue that Wix is ready for adjustments. Next, choose Edit Image. This opens Wix's built-in photo editor, which gives you access to basic enhancements and layout tools without leaving the editor. Give it a second to load. You'll see a set of tabs and controls designed for quick on-page edits. Now, head to the Crop and Extend section. Even if you're not planning to crop, this is where Wix keeps the flip controls. Think of this panel as the place where you can adjust how the image is framed on the page. The flip tools live here because flipping sometimes changes the visual balance of your composition, and you may want to nudge the framing after you mirror the image. Choose Flip Horizontally to mirror the image from left to right. This is ideal when you want a subject to face the opposite direction or to balance composition with surrounding text and elements. Or choose Flip Vertically to turn the image upside down, which can be useful for reflections or creative layouts. As a quick tip, be cautious with images that include text or logos. Horizontal flips will mirror the letters, and vertical flips can make them appear inverted, which usually isn't what you want. If the flip shifts your focal point, you can adjust the crop box right there in the same panel to recenter your subject. Keep an eye on edges to avoid cutting off important details after the flip. You're not degrading the original image quality here, you're just changing how it's displayed on the page. When you're happy with the result, click Save. The editor will apply the flip to the image on your canvas so you can see it in context with your layout. If you ever change your mind, you can return to Edit Image later and make further adjustments. That's it. Select the image, open Edit Image, go to Crop and Extend, choose your flip direction, and save. Simple, fast, and effective for refining your site's visual flow.